Royal Court Hotel sits on the edge of Portrush, looking proudly over the Atlantic like it personally owns the sea. The views are incredible. On a clear day, you can see miles of coastline, and on a windy day, you can see your life flashing before your eyes in the car park. Inside, it's all cozy and classy until somebody opens the door and the North Coast wine barges in like it pays rent. Guests sit peacefully enjoying tea while outside, the waves crash dramatically like a disaster movie filmed entirely in County Antrim. Thanks for watching, and remember to leave a like and follow for more silly descriptions.
Chasing light at its best above the